Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Jeep Gladiator, a pickup that blends rugged off-road DNA with modern-day utility. Jeep hasn't just refreshed the looks, it's also made practical updates to technology, design, and capability. The 2025 model features a bold front grille, new LED lighting, and updated color choices to keep it visually fresh. It remains a true body-on-frame truck with authentic Jeep styling and removable doors and roof panels. Whether you're into overlanding or just want a daily driver with attitude, this Gladiator is built to impress. Let's break it down, starting with the inside. Step inside and you'll notice Jeep has made the Gladiator's interior more refined without losing its rugged spirit. The 2025 model introduces a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen with Uconnect 5, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Seats now come with premium materials, better cushioning, and even available heating and ventilation. You'll also find more USB-C ports and storage solutions cleverly integrated throughout the cabin. The dash layout feels more upscale, but still unmistakably Jeep, practical, tough, and adventure-ready. Sound insulation has been improved for a quieter ride, especially during highway drives. Now, let's take a look at what's under the hood. The 2025 Gladiator continues offering two solid engine options, the tried-and-true 3.6L Pentastar V6 and the 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder. Both deliver robust power, but the V6 remains the go-to for serious off-road enthusiasts thanks to its proven reliability. Expect horsepower in the 260 to 285 range depending on the engine choice, with torque tuned for hauling and climbing. Transmission options include a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic and an available 6-speed manual for purists. Jeep's legendary 4x4 systems, Command Track and Rock Track, are still here, giving unmatched off-road confidence. Tow ratings remain impressive, with up to 7,700 pounds of towing capability depending on spec. All this ensures the Gladiator stays true to its rugged heritage. On-road, the 2025 Gladiator feels more composed than ever, thanks to tweaks in suspension tuning and steering calibration. Ride comfort has been enhanced, especially on paved roads, with less body roll and more stable cornering. Highway drives now feel quieter and smoother, making it more livable for daily commutes. New driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring add extra confidence. Despite its rugged DNA, the Gladiator feels surprisingly refined when navigating urban streets. Off-road, of course, it's still one of the most capable pickups you can buy. Jeep hasn't compromised where it matters. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Jeep Gladiator? If you want a truck that's versatile, unique, and genuinely off-road ready, this remains in a class of its own. Jeep has refined the rough edges while preserving the soul of the Gladiator, adventurous, bold, and unmistakably Jeep. With improved tech, better comfort, and legendary capability, this is more than just a facelift. It's still not for everyone. If you want soft and suburban, look elsewhere. But for those who seek adventure without sacrificing utility, the Gladiator remains king of its niche. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights.